Hey guys, it's Kristina or Katie Chocolate here. So today I wanted to do a try-on lingerie haul for you guys just in time for Valentine's Day. So let me show you this box. This is huge. This is what I got in the mail yesterday. I posted it on my Instagram story. There are 10 sets. That's right, this is like the biggest lingerie haul I've ever done on my channel. So there are 10 bras and 10 matching panties. I'm super excited to try these on for you. So all of these are from Eve's Temptation, and this brand is actually here in LA, which I was super excited for because one, the shipping was super fast, but also it's nice to have like a US based brand, which was founded by a woman, and she's actually a first generation immigrant from China, which is awesome. Like, it speaks to me because you guys know I moved here when I was 12, so I'm from Ukraine, but I'm Cuban Ukrainian if you didn't know, but I'm first generation too, so it definitely speaks to me. So I'm definitely supporting this brand. They have two different labels. They have a pink label and a black label, and like I said, they are here in LA, so they actually have like a brick and mortar store that you can go to, like if you want them to help you try something on, like measure or whatever, everything like that. I would definitely recommend doing that. It's in Westfield, Santa Anita. So I will link their address below for you guys in the info box, and I will also link all of the sets for you. And the website is evestemptation.com. I will link it below. I love the lace design on this. This one is called the Nicolette push-up bra. So it's got really nice padding in there, and of course the cup support. And it feels really nice, like the quality of it. And then this is the matching panty. I love how everything is in separate bags. So as you can see, the design matches, even like the lines and everything like that, and this is super comfy. I got all the bottoms in a medium, and all of the bras are in 34B, and they're actually having a nice promotion right now because as you can see, the original price on this is $133, but if you go to their website right now, they have a promotion where it's 3 for $99, which is awesome, hence why I got so many. So they have that section. They also have like a lounge section. They have an active one. They have clothes. There's so many different ones, but I will link all of the sets for you guys down below directly so you don't have to look for them. So this is the Nicolette in red, but I actually also got it in a nude. So this one is called Nicolette, and I got it in a red, that rhymes, but I also got one in a blush color. So I like how they package everything with the inserts. Like, I've never had another lingerie brand ship packet like that, which is really cool. So this is the Nicolette bra in blush, and I love how the lace goes all the way around. And then these are the bottoms. So you can see they also match with the lace and the lines, but if you compare them, the previous one was like a thong style, and this one has a bottom. So it's nice that they both kind of match the bra though. So you can get different styles, but it's nice because they still match the bra with like the actual design. Then I actually got a gray one, which I never go for gray, but I really like the design because it's got this sort of a Racerback, but with lace. How cute is this? Especially for summertime when your bra straps show. Like, I'm usually not the one like to wear Racerbacks, but this was super cute. And it's also a push-up, so it's going to give you like 2 cup sizes. And this one is called the Phoebe push-up bra. And then these are the bottoms to match. Like, how cute is that? Like, every single set matches so well. Like, they have so many different bras to choose from on their website, and even the section where it's like $3 for $99, even that has over like 200 styles, so it's awesome. So the girls will definitely find something you like. Guys, you can definitely find something that your girl will like that you can give her for Valentine's, just saying. Then I got a black, and then this one is called Flora, and I actually liked it so much that I got it in 3 different colors because it's like a cute everyday sort of bra with like a slight bit of padding in there, but it's not like a huge push-up like the other ones that I showed you. That's kind of like more for sexy, like that's kind of like for a more sexy look, I guess. But if I'm just, you know, every day or whatever, like I want to be comfortable, but it's still super cute. Like if the lace shows like under your dress or a shirt or whatever, it's super cute. And I like how the straps are kind of different. Like the whole texture of it is really cool. It's got a little bow in the front. Maybe if I show you one of the other colors, you'll be able to see it a little better. And then the back of it is just see-through like that. And then these are the bottoms. Again, really cute with the silk front and the lacy back. It's sexy because it still covers you, but it's all lace. And this one is the red Flora. So same design, just in a red. And then these are the bottoms. So same as the black ones. So this one is the Flora in a blush color, and you can definitely see the lace. Now it's just the camera like autofocuses it, but it's a lovely color. And it's got the push-up as well. The lace goes back like that, and it's see-through, and it's got 2 hooks on the closure. And then these are the bottoms. So cute. You can definitely see the lace on this. And again, they're all see-through in the back, which is super hot. Like it covers your butt, but it's still see-through, so it's hot. So I love that. Aww. I just saw this. They even included a little thank you note with like all of the styles. It's really cool because sometimes brands will even send you like a package. Usually it's from like another country, but they don't even include a slip like where it's from. I'm not even talking about the breakdown of the order, but like even the name of the brand. Like I'm just like, I don't even remember what website this was from. Like I remember picking it out, but like, you know, so this is cool. So then I had to get a white bra, switch it up. I already have 2 reds, like 3 blush ones. So this one is called the Lysianthus push-up bra. So it definitely covers way more area than the other ones. The straps are so cute with the lace and the bow. You have the lace all the way around, and you can definitely feel the padding. And then these are the bottoms. Super cute. Love, love, love the lace. They're just like so cute. I'm like scared to like even, you know, I'm like carefully holding them. And then I wanted to get a nude that's a little bit different. So this one is called the Kelsey push-up bra, and as you can see, it's got like a sleek design, and it's also like a plunge bra. So if you're wearing like a low-cut top or dress, you can rock this. And the fact that it's very sleek, you can wear this with dresses that are super thin that probably you couldn't wear like a lace bra with, like because I've seen sometimes those shirts or dresses that are super, super thin. They don't have to be sheer, but like you can see the lace through it, you know what I mean? Or like your underwear or anything. So it's really cool that it's like very sleek and seamless. Like even the back of it. I love the stretch. But it's also cool because it does give you some push-up. This one adds 1 cup size, and the back has 3 hooks. And then these are the bottoms. I love, love, love like this design in particular. It's cute, stretchy, comfy, still sexy with the lace. And then I got this one, which has a really cool color. This one is called the Martina, and I wouldn't even know how to describe this color. It's like a purpley, grayish, maroon sort of. I don't know, but it's hot. And the back is so cool. It's got this cage. I love, love, love this. So this is also a push-up bra, so it's super sexy. It's gonna give you cleavage. I think bras like this, like with this sort of shape, they are like the sexy ones. Like they're not like the Flora one. It's sexy, but it's still like, you know, you can wear it on a daily, but this one is definitely like sexy, you know what I mean? When you're going out for a date night, you want to put on that hot dress, I would wear it with this. And these are the matching bottoms. How cute are these? The design is so hot. Like whoever designed all of these, I can't even. So this one is called the Francesca push-up bra, and this one is so gorgeous. I love, love, love the lace, the whole cup design of it, like the triangle. I feel like it suits me. It's got plenty of push-up, and the lace goes all the way around. It's got 2 hooks. I love, love, love this one. So I feel like to give you an idea, in between all the blush ones, like red, white, black, that's self-explanatory. There was like one nude one which was completely different, like the low cut one, but the blush ones, I feel like they're so similar that I wanted to show you like them side by side in case you are ordering and you don't know which one to pick, like as far as like your skin tone or something like that. Maybe you want one that's like a warmer or a cooler color. So let me do this. So this one is Francesca, then Flora, and this one is Nicolette right here. So this is them side by side. So Nicolette, Flora, and Francesca. So just to give you an idea, I feel like this one is more like a blush nude. This one is like a nice true blush, like almost like a pink blush. And then this one is a blush with a little bit of like gray in there. So yeah, I just thought that might help. So let me know in the comments which set was your favorite. I hope you enjoyed my haul. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the little notification bell if you haven't yet, so you're always notified. I swear YouTube has been like so weird lately. People on Instagram have been telling me like they haven't seen my videos or to post a new tutorial. I'm like, I just posted one a week ago, and then I sent it to them and they're like, oh, I didn't even see that one. So I'm just saying, I don't know what's going on. And I saw Ventura Blvd tweet today about the same issues, so I know I'm not the only one. So, but if you want to add me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all of that is at K3Chocolate. I stream on YouNow at K3Chocolate. Twitch is K3Dance. Like I said, check out the website. There's so many different styles. I will link all 10 of these for you guys down below, so you don't have to look for them. And if you're in LA, definitely go check them out at their store. They have amazing customer service, super fast shipping. I mean, yeah, I know I'm in LA, but still, they give you the slips, they give you the tracking. You don't have to worry about like where your package is. Like, just super nice company. So definitely check them out. And that is it. Hope you guys like this video. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.